User Management. In the Settings interface, click User Management and click Add to enter the user adding interface. Enter the username, password, phone number, and email address. To set whether the newly added account is valid or not, select Valid or Invalid after the validity. Assign authority to users according to the division of labor for newly added users. Tick the checkbox in front of the authority name, which means that the user has added authority for the function of this part. After setting, click OK to finish adding users. In the user list, click Edit to modify the username, phone number, email address, authority, and other information, or set this user as an invalid user, and the invalid user will not be able to log into the system. Click Delete to delete this user from the account. After the user is deleted, you can no longer log in to manage the current device.